Too many people are doing the flies wrong. So what they're doing is they're keeping the arms too extended. So when you're out here, they're coming all the way out here. So what is that doing? What does that look like? I'm putting too much stress on the joints, not really working on the chest. So you want to be careful with that. So here's how it's going to look. I'm going to come down, right? I'm going to start flexing at the elbows, but I'm still creating that stretch at the bottom and coming up. Now I'm only using 50s, but I could go up to 60s or 70s if I need to. But just for the purposes of this video, and the slower you go, the more difficult the movement. So 50s is actually pretty good for me. So watch, coming down slow and up. Working the chest only, not putting any stress on the elbow joints. Simple as that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy as that. All you got to do is be mindful of the joints. Don't go too far out. Keep the elbows flexing at the bottom, still creating that stretch. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button.